Yay, I'm excited. Today you're going to learn how I make my veggie filled egg frittata. It's such an amazing egg recipe. You are going to love, your kids will love, because whenever I make it, my kids love it. Imagine kids loving something that has a lot of vegetables. Sometimes kids are very picky, but giving them this, I tell you, they are going to love it. So have you been looking for a different way, a different recipe to make your egg look more beautiful and more acceptable? Here is the recipe you have been looking for. So yeah, before I go into the lab, I want you to click on the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly go and click on the subscribe button, and don't only click on the subscribe button, go ahead and click on the bell beside it so that you can get notifications in your mail immediately I post a new video. Thank you for joining me. I am adewoletemilolu. I love food and I love helping people live better lives, health-wise and life-wise generally. So I hope you're excited. I want you to join me in the kitchen as we get into the practical aspect of how to do my veggie filled egg frittata. Welcome. So you're welcome to my lab, and just today we're going to be cooking. We're going to be making vegetable egg frittata. This is one of the best ways to enjoy your egg. Healthy. It has, you see how colorful this is. It's one of the best ways to enjoy your egg. So here with me I have my carrot. I have scraped my carrot. I have washed my vegetables very well. This is broccoli. This is broccoli leaves. And this is the broccoli itself. I'm not going to be using everything. This is spring onions. I'm going to be using spring onions. This is my tomato, pepper. I'm going to put ginger. I love my food to be a little bit spicy, so I'm going to put ginger. And here is my garlic. All the spices are actually very good for your health. I'm going to put a little bit of green pepper and a little bit of cucumber. So these are everything I'm going to be using with my egg. I'm going to be using. So what I would do right now is to cut all this into pieces. When I cut it, and I'm going to get it set for us to have our vegetable egg frittata. Hope you are as excited as I am. Alright, so now we finished shredding the vegetables. I added this is my garlic and ginger and garlic, and here is Maggi and salt I'm going to use, and that is egg broken already, and this is my special spice I use in cooking. It's just so amazing. I formulated the spice and I'm going to be using it also. So let's go into cooking. Alright, so you're going to pour in your oil, whatever oil you want to use, not so much. Either you want to use vegetable oil or any oil of your good oil of your choice, coconut oil, any good oil of your choice, you pour it in. And then I'm going to also add, this is my garlic and ginger. I'm going to put it here so that the aroma comes up. So I'm going to mix it just for a little while. Just for a little while. Yes, I can perceive the aroma now. Then I add my vegetable. All vegetable that you cut, that you shredded, add them and mix. We're not going to leave it on the heat for so long because the vegetable is not supposed to stay on the heat so that it doesn't lose all its nutrients. So you just mix it. And then I put in my salt and seasoning. Still mix it together. And then I bring in my special vegetable spice. So spicy and healthy for those of you that like spicy meals. I just put a little bit. And mix together. And now that I think this is okay now, I'm going to pour in my egg. Give it a good spread. And then pour in my egg. And then leave it on the heat for a little time. Don't leave it for so long so it doesn't get burnt. After a little while, I then reduce the heat. Okay, so now I'm going to use this plate. I'm going to flip it over so that we can now allow the top to also get done. So you're going to look for a plate that has the size of your fry pan and turn it over. And here we have this. Here we have this. So now you're now going to just gently let it lie. Gently let it lie in the pot. For some minutes, just for the watery egg that was on the top to get dried a little bit. So this is done now. I'm now going to use this to put it on my plate. I've switched off the. So here you have it. You have it. Your vegetable egg frittata is done. You can serve it with yam, you can serve it with bread, you can eat it whatever you want to eat it, and you know you're having a healthy egg here. Remember I said you can use coconut oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil, you can use any healthy oil you want to use. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you've gotten value, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also share this to your friends so everyone can enjoy a healthy meal. Thank you. Wow, I hope you loved it. I hope you loved the process. You see that it's not so hard. Less than 10-15 minutes, you're actually done when you put the cutting and everything together. So if you enjoy this, I would love to see your own. I'd love to have your feedbacks. I'd love to see a picture of yours. So what you would do is that just go down to the information center down below this video. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and what you do next is you cook yours and take a picture and tag me. I will love to see how good you are and how you've also done. You know, action takers are those that get the results. So follow me on Instagram and tag me to your own egg veggie filled frittata. Thank you for watching once again, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also share this. Click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notifications on my videos. Till I come to you next time, feel free to watch the next video coming up. Bye.